Subscribe to LearnCap and hit the bell icon to get notified.
Okay, so we shall begin now. Our next topic is précis writing. Our next topic for the day is précis writing. What is précis writing? Précis writing means summarize in your own words. You will be given some paragraph. You have to read that paragraph, you have to understand that paragraph, and you have to write it in your own words. बस दिस इज प्रेसी राइटिंग. आपको एक पैराग्राफ दिया जाएगा, बड़ा सा पैराग्राफ. आपको पैराग्राफ को देखना है, पढ़ना है, अंडरस्टैंड करना है और आपको उसको शॉर्टन करके लिखना है. कितना शॉर्ट करना है मैम? अगर मुझे 3 पैराग्राफ दिया है तो कितना शॉर्ट करना चाहिए? सो इट शुड बी ओनली 1/3 ऑफ टोटल पैसेज. जितना भी पैसेज या पैराग्राफ होगा उसका 1/3 आपको लिखना है. जितना भी पॉइंट उसमें कवर किया गया है उसको आपको समराइज करना है, शॉर्ट फॉर्म में शॉर्टन करके आपको एग्जाम में लिखना है. एंड दिस इज कंपल्सरी क्वेश्चन. आई एम टेलिंग यू, in your BCR paper, you open any question paper, any past paper, you are going to find this in your exam for 5 marks. Précis writing. So you must know how you are supposed to write it. Okay, so that's why we are going to discuss the steps for précis writing, how you have to start writing your précis writing. The very first step you have to take is that read the passage carefully. जब तक आप पैसेज को केयरफुली रीड नहीं करते हो, you will not be able to understand the content of the passage. And if you are not able to understand the passage, you will not be able to write précis. Okay, for that you have to start with reading it very carefully. So you have to read it very carefully, and if you are not able to get it in one reading, then you have to reread it. Okay, you have to redo it. जब तक आपको नहीं समझता है तब तक you have to read it, ताकि वो आपको समझे और आप उसको समराइज करके अपने लैंग्वेज में आराम से लिख सको. Second is that first understand the text well enough to extract its main idea. कि वो पूरे पैसेज में क्या लिखा हुआ है आप उसको अच्छे से समझो और उसमें उसका मेन थीम क्या है, मेन आइडिया क्या है, उसको समझ लो आप. एक बार आपको मेन आइडिया या मेन थीम समझ में आ जाएगा, then you will be able to write it in a better way. Second, decide what fact or ideas in the text are essential and what are of secondary and no importance. So you have to, while reading only, you have to mark it whether this paragraph or this line is essential or it is not essential. If it is essential to your main topic or main idea, then you have to consider it in your précis writing. If it is not essential or it is less essential, then you can simply remove that line or that paragraph. Select a suitable title for the proposed précis. You have to select a good title so that after reading the title only, the reader must understand what you are going to discuss in your précis. Next step is collect all the key points and prepare a first draft of précis, keeping in mind the need to reduce the original text to 1/3 its length. So what you have to do after reading, after understanding, or after getting the main idea of the topic, you have to collect the key points, you have to shorten it, and then you have to write in. First you have to write it, draft होगा वो आपका, but you have to write it. लेकिन लेंथ कितना होना चाहिए? It should be 1/3 of your total passage. इतना होना चाहिए. लेकिन when you start writing, then you will understand कि okay, oh my god, this is very big. This is not 1/3, it is more than 1/3 or 1/2. Then you have to redo it. You have to cut everything and then you have to start again कि वहां पे क्या क्या लिखा मैंने जो नहीं important था या less important था. Reduce all those points and matters and you have to redo it. Later on, when you have made your second or final draft, जब आपका first, see यहाँ पे हम first की तो बात ही नहीं कर रहे, second या final draft, so it can take your 3 attempts, 4 attempts, 5 attempts, so it can take any attempt. So once you are done with your final draft, carefully revise your précis to ensure that you have a bare minimum of words necessary to express the idea of the passage. तो जो भी पैसेज में आइडिया लिखा था वो एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए आपके पास अच्छे खासे वर्ड बचे हुए. एंड इफ यू थिंक कि यहाँ पे कोई सेंटेंसेस ऐसा लिखा हुआ है जिसको मैं किसी फ्रेज में या किसी इडियम में यूज करके उसको मैं सिंपली अच्छे मैनर में प्रेजेंट कर सकता हूँ, यू कैन डू दैट इन योर प्रेसे राइटिंग. ओके, and check to make sure that the précis has been written in words that are your own and not those of author. So you have to use your own words. So you have to give importance to your own word. Author will write something, but you have to understand it and you have to recreate in your own words. So this is how you are going to write your précis writing. 5-mark question fixed in your exam. If you know how to do it, if you have practice of doing it, then definitely you are going to get it. Title is must. You have to give title. Whatever content is given in the passage, the author content, you are not supposed to change the idea or theme of the original author. Okay, you are just simply, you need to redo it in your own word. You are not supposed to change the main theme of the passage. ठीक है, आपको लगेगा कि नहीं यार ये तो गलत बोला, ये तो ऐसा नहीं होता है या वैसा नहीं होता है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You are not supposed to put your own thoughts into it. Okay, ऐसे करके सिंपली आप एक प्रेसे राइटिंग लिख सकते हो. एक्सट्रीम सिचुएशन में देयर विल बी समटाइम्स यू विल फील एग्जाम में कि अरे यार कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है पैराग्राफ में. एक्सट्रीम सिचुएशन होगी जहां पे आपको कुछ नहीं समझ में आएगा. इन दैट सिचुएशन आप क्या करो, पैसेज रीड करो, जो जो आपको इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन लगती है बस वो लाइन उठा के कॉपी करके पेस्ट कर दो. दैट्स ऑल इन एक्सट्रीम सिचुएशन. अदरवाइज ओके, नो इश्यूज. आपको जितना समझ में आता है आप अपने हिसाब से उसको मॉडिफाई करके लिखते रहिए. खाली इतना ध्यान रखना कि ऑथर का जो आइडिया है उसको आप चेंज नहीं कर रहे हो एंड यू आर रिक्रिएटिंग इट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. ठीक है, सो डन विद द प्रेसे राइटिंग ऑल्सो. गाइज, आई एम टेलिंग यू अगेन, द टॉपिक्स विच आई टुक टुडे, ये दोनों ही एग्जाम में आते हैं. One you will find in question number 6 or 7, another you will find in question number 8. Definitely you will find it. For more information and more video lectures, you can simply visit LearnCap website. You can find many video lectures or demo lectures there, and you can watch lecture as per your convenience. Okay, then fine. We will round up the session for the day because you guys do not have any doubt, and I'm done with my topics. So we can conclude today's session. Okay.
Subscribe to LearnCap and hit the bell icon to get notified.